you want to make your Frederick home look fresh and inviting, replacing your windows is one of the smartest moves you can make. Many homeowners don't realize how much worn out or outdated windows can hurt their home's first impression. Whether you're thinking of selling or simply want to enjoy a more attractive exterior, new windows can dramatically boost your curb appeal. When visitors or potential buyers arrive, your windows are one of the first things they notice. Peeling frames, foggy glass, or outdated styles can make your house look tired, even if you've kept up with other maintenance. By investing in modern, well-designed windows, you instantly give your home a clean, polished, and cared-for appearance. New windows come in a range of styles and colors that can complement the overall look of your property, allowing you to add a personal touch that feels fresh and up-to-date. Beyond looks, window replacement also shows that you care about your home's quality. High-performance windows with advanced materials don't just look great, they function better, too. They keep your home quieter by reducing outdoor noise, and they help regulate indoor temperatures, which can lower your energy bills. In Frederick, where seasonal weather can swing from hot and humid to cold and icy, energy-efficient windows are a big plus. People who see that you have invested in quality windows may assume the rest of the house is well cared for, too. Another important factor in curb appeal is consistency. Old windows often don't match newer exterior updates, like siding or a new roof, which can make the whole house feel mismatched. When you replace your windows, you can coordinate the frames, trim, and style to blend seamlessly with other exterior features. For example, if you have recently repainted or added a new front door, new window frames can help tie the entire look together, creating a cohesive, well-planned impression. A fresh set of windows can also highlight your home's architectural style. Whether your Frederick home is a classic colonial, a craftsman bungalow, or a modern farmhouse, there are window styles designed to match and enhance these looks. Clean-lined picture windows, elegant double-hung windows, or even stylish bay windows can bring out your home's character. Instead of simply replacing the old with the same, consider upgrading the style for a subtle yet powerful transformation. Don't forget about maintenance and longevity, either. Old wood windows may rot or swell over time, while outdated aluminum frames can corrode. Modern materials like vinyl or fiberglass offer long-lasting durability with minimal upkeep, helping your home stay beautiful for many years to come. Less maintenance means your home will continue to look sharp without constant scraping, painting, or repairs. Finally, window replacement can even add value to your home. A well-maintained exterior is a major selling point, and buyers notice modern windows. They know it means fewer immediate costs after moving in. For those who aren't planning to sell anytime soon, you still get the reward of enjoying a home that looks better and feels more comfortable. If you're ready to boost your home's curb appeal in Frederick, replacing your windows is a great place to start. With so many modern, energy-efficient, and stylish options available today, you can give your home a fresh face that's not just beautiful, but practical too. Talk to a trusted local window professional to explore your options and find the best fit for your style and budget. In the end, new windows are an upgrade you'll see, feel, and appreciate every single day.